StudyMode.com.
Now we can do a variety type of question. The question is, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square and the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. Find the sides of the two squares. The question once more. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square and the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. Find the sides of the two squares. This is the question. Here are two squares. Let us draw two squares. One is a large square and the other is a small square. We are assuming the length of one side of larger square to be x meter and this is to be y meter. So here also it is x, x, x. Here also it is y, y, y. Here given the difference of the perimeters, that means 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. 4x means perimeter of the larger square and 4y means perimeter of the smaller square. The difference is 24. Dividing throughout by 4, we will get x minus y is equal to 24 by 4, it is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus y. X is equal to 6 plus y. Now, sum of the areas of the two squares. Area of first square is x into x, x square plus area of the second square is y square is equal to 468. Here, instead of x, we can write 6 plus y. Therefore, x square will become 6 plus y the whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Expand 6 plus y the whole square using a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means 6 square plus 2 into 6 into y, 12y plus y square. Here 1y square is equal to 468. Y square plus y square, 2y square plus 12y, then plus 6 square is equal to 36. We are converting 468 to the left side and it will be minus 468 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 12y, 468 minus 36. Subtract the smaller number from the larger and put the sign of the larger number. Then minus 432 is equal to 0. Now, we can divide throughout by 2. Dividing throughout by 2, we will get the equation as y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. Now, the value of a here is 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 216. Then, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, the value of the discriminant is equal to 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 216. 6 square 36 minus into minus plus 216 into 4 is equal to 864. Sum is equal to 900. The value of the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 900. Now x is equal to, quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. X is equal to the value of b, here it is 6. Therefore, minus b is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 900 divided by 2 into value of a is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 900 is equal to 30. 30 is the root of 900. 30 divided by 2. X is equal to, split it into two terms. Minus 6 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 30 divided by 2. Minus 6 plus 30 is equal to 24. 30 minus 6. 24 by 2 and here it is minus 36 by 2. 24 by 2 is equal to 12 and here it is minus 18. Here also we are getting two values for x, but we assumed the value of x as the length of one side of the larger square. Larger square is equal to x and y as length of one side of the smaller square. Here our variable is y. Here the variable is y. That is y is equal to 12 or minus 18. 12 or minus 18. Y is equal to 12 or minus 18. Not x. Here it is y. Y is equal to 12. We cannot accept the value minus 18 because the length of one side of a square will never be a negative number. Therefore, y is equal to 12. That means length of one side, that is length of one side of smaller square is equal to 12 meters. Length of one side of larger square is equal to 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 meter. This is the answer. So first of all, we assume the length of one side of the larger side to be x and the length of one side of smaller square to be y. Then we are getting two variables, but it is not possible in a quadratic equation two variables. So we have to convert into one variable. So it is given that the difference of the perimeters is 24. That means 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. From this equation, we are getting a simple equation x minus y is equal to 6 dividing throughout by the equation by 4. Now we can convert minus y to this side and x is equal to 6 plus y. That is, we are getting the value of x in terms of y. So we put the value of x is equal to 6 plus y in this equation. Now we are obtaining quadratic equation in one variable. Therefore, our conclusion is the length of one side of smaller square is equal to 12 meter and the length of one side of larger square is equal to 6 plus 12, 18 meter. Okay.